flour, salt, all-purpose flour, water, salt.
Kami baso. Chika.
Game na game na. Naka-ano yan.
Bago nakaroon na kami.
Sauce. Ayan ang pangit na.
Sauce and toppings. Mama says it's marinade. All-purpose flour. And chicken bell pepper.
Wait, tangin na.
Sorry pa, baliw yung reporter.
Sa ulo na nagbabanong mali.
Excuse me po. Mushroom, onion, cheddar and melty. Bacon and bacon. Mushroom. Are you not?
Pasok. Procedure. Making a pizza. Sift the flour, salt, water. Cut the shortening into a block. Salt, water, mixing it. Making a sauce. Mix mamasitas.
Sa uli kakanta.
Cook until it becomes thick. Brown the chicken fillet in a bite. Pasok, Michelle Joy.
Making a pizza. Place the pizza brick in the oven. Preheat oven. For 507 yun ah. On the floor surface, place the pizza dough. Heat for 5 to 10 minutes until base turtle to get crispy. You went to make up.
Dapat papanik muna eh. No? Tas
Pizza. Pizza base. Add bell pepper, mushroom, bacon, onion ring, salami. Put the melt cheese and cheddar cheese on the top. On